in Casper, Wyoming. Flew out here to take a look at the remote rehab I was doing. It's 2897 Villa Del Rey Drive in Casper. Neighborhood view. We had concrete repaired and replaced here. You can see this is all new concrete here by the garage. It all needed replaced. It was all sinking. The foundation had to be reset. You can see what was replaced here. Blocks along here. These were okay. They just sealed these. You enter, stairway going up, living room right here, which flows into the kitchen. This was all as is. I added the fridge here, the dishwasher here. All the rest was existing. Sodded the backyard here. While I'm here, I'm gonna have to keep watering it because it is dying, as you can see. And it's pretty dry out here, so it's gonna take a bit to get this back to where I want it to. Spend a little bit of time here each day doing that. Here's the other side. At the bathroom, and it was already all updated. This house was built in 2015, so it's fairly new. The view from the kitchen to the living room here. Now we'll go down to the basement. Some lights on here. The whole basement floor had to be re-poured. So you'll see here, the foundation had heaved. You had these cracks in the walls here, which had to be sealed, fixed, but it's all new floor in here, all the way up to the edge here. Good sized basement though, could be finished. Could be a nice family room. Now we'll head upstairs. Might do some painting of the stairs while I'm here, if I have time. Didn't show you the garage. It's the garage, 2-car garage. We had to hit this floor a bit too. This is new flooring on the right. Another side entry there. The floor had sunk down on this side. Electrical panel. Some new concrete in here as well. This is a whole new pad poured on the right side. Left side was an existing, didn't heave, the right side is new. Now we'll head upstairs. Head to the master bedroom first. It's gonna be hard to tell in here, but it's actually a great view of the mountains here in Casper. View of the backyard. Walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Use the same cabinets as the kitchen cabinets pretty much. tiled enclosure. We'll go to the second bathroom here. Same deal, tiled enclosure. Window. Same vanity, different top. Tops are kind of different. Got a couple bulbs burn out here. Laundry room's hard to see now. Bulbs burn out. Same cabinets. Nice little setup in here though. Second bedroom in here. And then the third bedroom coming up here. A little bit narrower. Not huge bedrooms, but picked this property up for around $81,000. Put $67,000 in foundation re-support into it. Then also put in another $21,000 in concrete work, and another about $12,000 to $15,000 in cleanup work, upgrades, paint, things like that. But it's come out pretty good. Let me get the lights on here. There we go. In the kitchen. And that is a property. It's listed for $245,000. It had a lot of activity on it so far, so I expect we'll have an offer on this pretty quickly. So it's a nice kitchen, nice setup. Everything's clean and new. It's been re-supported. This neighborhood does have a little bit of stigma because the sinking of the foundation is there was a builder issue, and the builder was sued, and they had a settlement in court. So everything's been resolved. People have been paid out. I unfortunately did not get in time, so I didn't get paid out. But like I said, I'm about 180 some thousand this property. I expect to sell it for around 240, 245 range. So I'll still do okay.